19.7, 19.8. Tighten up. Good. Now let me open my gauge. I think it is leaking from the valve. Yeah, because that thing is cold and let's soak it. Yeah, I'm gonna have a little drink first. Just to the side. No bubble, but I have to. I knew it's not gonna stay there, but I'm just not gonna record it. So I did use my soap, and it's not leaking. Use this soap right here on the valve. And I video recorded from both sides. It's not leaking because it wasn't bubbling or anything. But yeah, this is how you do that. The gauge is out. That's how you. Let me know if you need any assistance. So how actually refrigeration works. The compressor sends the gas through the filter dryer. From filter dryer it goes to the capillary tube. From capillary tube it goes to the evaporator. On evaporator coil, what it does, it sprays the refrigerant inside the coils, and when it sprays it becomes cool, like when water goes, when you spray water from, like if I spray this, what comes out of this is cold. That's what happens to the refrigerant too. When it comes out of that small capillary tube, it's cold, and that when the air passes through the evaporator coil, the air gets cool and it goes inside the refrigerator. That's how your refrigerator gets cold. But how this cooling happens is the inside of evaporator, where the refrigerant is circulating, that's absorbing the heat molecules from the air. So the air becomes cooler. It goes inside the refrigerator. As it's circulating, the heat molecule gets absorbed through the refrigerant cycle and it goes into the condenser side. On the condenser, it gets pressed because the other side of the condenser is capillary tube. So from compressor comes out, goes to the condenser, the other side capillary tube makes the pipe smaller, so there's more pressure. When there's more pressure, the gas shrinks, and airflow makes it even more shrink because it takes all the heat molecules out. That's why the condenser is hot. Then it goes, circulates back into the evaporator coil, and it does that process. When you're fixing it, you put your gauges into the low side. If you have low side, some places low side is available. If not, you just install that little valve and then put your gauges. Check your pressures. If your pressure is low, check your high side. If high side is too high and low side is like negative or something, or 1 or 0, that means your capillary tube is blocked. Change your filter dryer, clean the capillary tube with nitrogen, and flush it too if you have to flush it. Do anything you want to do to clean inside of it. Once it's cleaned, then recharge it. This one took 19 ounce, 134A. I recharged it, it stayed on 19 psi, and it started cooling really good. Uh, right now, let's see. Let me turn it. 40, 33. The back. This one 53. It's coming out of the back. 32 there. 54 here. Nice. That's how it's working. So that's how you find the problem. If your refrigerator is not working, like these type of refrigerators, big ones, like these, just look at, put your gauges, look at it, see your pressures. That's you'll find the problem. Okay, so everything is closed. Now I'm gonna take all my tools back to my